Hi there, I'm Marne Saxian from Houzz, the leading platform for residential remodeling and design. Houzz is also known for its software for industry professionals and homeowners to upgrade their homes from start to finish. My role as an economist overseeing our research program is to study the industry and report back to our community. So here I am today, reporting on the findings from our most recent Houzz Renovation Barometer. Every quarter, we reach out to businesses in the construction industry and ask about their business performance in a given quarter, about the project backlogs, and their expectations for the upcoming quarter. So today, I'll be covering three main components: business activity for the last quarter of 2024, wait times for Q1 2025, as well as for expectations for the business performance in the next 3 months. The recent business activity indicator is related to project inquiries and new committed projects. For the Q4 2024, it increased 7 points to 54 in the construction sector. It climbed above 50-point mark. What this means is that more businesses in the sector reported an increase in the business activity than those who reported declines. This increase was driven by a significant 14-point uptick in project inquiries and by stability for the new committed projects. I'm glad to report that the cautious optimism expressed for Q4 realized for the businesses, and they are reporting improvement in the business activity for Q4 compared to Q3. Project backlog component is based on survey questions that ask businesses to report wait times to start work on a mid-sized project. At the start of Q1 2025, the average backlog across the construction industry is nearly 6 weeks nationally. That's a week shorter compared to previous year, Q1 2024, when it was at 6.7 weeks, nearly 7 weeks. Geographically, backlogs for the construction sector vary significantly, from 4.1 weeks in both Mountain Division and the South Atlantic Division to double that, 9.1 weeks in the New England Division. And finally, the third component, the expected business activity indicator, which assesses future expectations for project inquiry and new committed projects. The outlook for the next 3 months is positive. The indicator stands at 65. This means that more construction firms anticipate quarter-over-quarter growth than those are anticipating decline. To summarize, strong Q4 performance and potentially the recent Federal Reserve cuts have provided some optimism for the construction businesses. With this solid foundation, construction firms are expressing the most positive sentiment we have seen in 2.5 years. Now, we do hear a lot about tariffs, which in turn will impact our industry. However, we will know more when we report back in April on the findings for our Q2 Houzz Renovation Barometer. Finally, I would also love to hear from you directly, reporting from the ground. We depend on professionals like you to stay up to date with the insights on the industry as well as trends. Please feel free to leave a comment or reach out to me directly. Until then, stay tuned for more insights from Houzz research team.